Hello, in today's short video I will show you how to connect PayPal on Clickbank. So you will go to your dashboard, you go to your accounts, you have your nickname and you press on the blue link. It opens a new tab, you will go to your account settings, and in this case everything from my informations will be blurred, and you will go to your payment informations and click in the right corner edit. When you click edit, you will have your payment methods. We have two payment methods. It's a check payment method that you can get a check to your address or a direct deposit. And if you click direct deposit, you will have direct deposit informations and you can connect your bank informations and can get paid on your bank account. So for the answer how to connect PayPal on Clickbank, you cannot connect it till today. You can only use these two options like check and like direct deposit. That are the only two options to connect to Clickbank that they can pay you. So you cannot connect PayPal. Thank you for watching. If you want to connect something else to Clickbank, check our YouTube down below. We have some videos about it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.